welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 18th of May, which is a Tuesday. Now let's look at what is buzzing. Going into market buzz, we are selecting stocks in the universe, and the stock we'll be talking about today will be AT&T. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 574 articles about it. And in sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive towards the stock, and the subjectivity is 40%, which is relatively rational. Going into the trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may rise by 7.94%. Then going into the chart, we can see in short term, the upside prevails as long as 31.5 is a support. Again, it's a daily chart. Briefly looking at the chart, we can see the current price is above the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also on top of the Bollinger Band. Going down, in the comment section, we can see the RSI is above its neutral area at 50, and the MACD is positive and above its signal line. The configuration is positive, and then below is a series of support and resistance level. Hope you like today's video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and like our social media, YouTube and Facebook. Hope you have a happy trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.